Hola, hola, chicas and chicos. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. As you guys could tell by the title, this is another DIY swimsuit video. I had some fabric laying around that I had for like over 2 years, and I decided to just do something real quick with it. So I decided to make this bomb one-piece swimsuit. If you guys want to see how I got this little project done, then of course definitely keep watching this video. Let's get this video to 200 likes. Leave some comments down below. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you guys post the notification bell is on so you guys can be notified every single time I upload a video. So jumping right into this video, I took a swimsuit that I pretty much already had, and I have not even worn this swimsuit yet, y'all. Half of my swimsuits I have not worn yet. So yeah, but I took this one-piece swimsuit, and I really liked the style of this when I tried it on last year. So I decided this is the style that I kind of want to go for this particular swimsuit. So this project was a little easy. I actually tried this a long time ago before and effed it up, and it came out so bad because I was trying to do it from scratch, not realizing I had a swimsuit already made like how I wanted it to be. So found this swimsuit in perfect timing, found this fabric, found this swimsuit. So I was like, let me make this swimsuit. So this project was pretty much, it was a little easy. It wasn't too hard. Right here I'm just cutting the bottoms. Of course I always cut my bottoms a little bit bigger because of course we have to fold and sew the bottoms in. And yeah, so once I get done cutting the bottoms, you guys will see me cut the straps that is also on the swimsuit. Now I had plenty of this fabric left, so let me know down in the comments, what do you guys want to see me make the rest of this fabric out of? Do you want to see a dress, two-piece set? Like, let me know, because I have this fabric is so bomb. The material of it is awesome, very stretchy, and you know, I like the color. So definitely let me know, like, what should I make with the rest of this fabric? Drop it down in the comment section below. So right here I'm pretty much like trying to make sure that this is even as possible. So I'm going to be folding it in half and cutting off anything that looks crooked or too big or whatever. So that is pretty much what you see me doing, because I want these bottoms to be as even as possible. And later on you will see that the middle part was not even, so I had to go back and try to like cut that part some. Right here, one side was way bigger and way longer than the other, so I'm going back in and I'm going to be chopping that off so that part can be even as possible. Now I really enjoy making these swimsuit tutorials because they're so easy to do. I did make a dress for V-Day. Unfortunately I did not film it because that project itself was a freaking stress overall. Like, I had to start over damn near 5 times. Like, y'all wouldn't even believe it. Like, I had to go to Joann's and keep buying fabric. At that point I could have just bought a whole dress, but I really want to get my practice in, so that's why I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna keep buying this fabric because I want to practice. So I did make a dress. Unfortunately I did not film that. So let me know also in the comments what project do you guys want to see next. If it's another swimsuit, I definitely don't mind making more swimsuits, because I do have plenty of fabric for like that swimsuit material. But I want to try some other stuff too, so let me know what y'all want to see next. I just love making swimsuits because it's so easy, it's so fun, and spring and summer is coming up, and you know I gotta be ready for swimsuit season. So I really enjoy making these little swimsuits or whatever. And right here I'm just cutting the straps, cutting the strap part, and then that's pretty much it. So in the next few clips we're gonna go ahead and move on to the sewing process. Excuse my ashy legs, excuse my nappy head, excuse all of it, y'all. Like, this is, yeah, just excuse it all. I'm very ashy in this video, but I did not care. Anywho, moving on to the sewing part. So right here I had to lay my swimsuit out just to make sure that everything is outlined correctly and, you know, going to be sewn correctly and all that good jazz. So as you can see, we kind of got the mimic of the other swimsuit. We kind of got it to kind of really match. I did go in and cut some of that front piece of the bottoms. I cut it deeper so that it can get like that V-cut effect. So I did do that. And for the swimsuit bottoms, I'm pretty much going to be folding that in and just sewing it all the way down. Most people do use like the sewing pins to just ensure that everything is even, but y'all, this process is just so easy. Like, I don't even need the sewing pins no more for this little process right here. So yeah. And this is how it looks when I'm done sewing it. So I'm pretty much going to be doing the other side off camera, and we'll be back. And we're back with the other side completely done. Yeah. So now we're moving on to the straps. So pretty much I'm just going to be sewing the top and the bottom of the straps together. I flipped the fabric inside out like how I normally do, and I'm going to be flipping it right. Well, you guys will see in right here actually, because y'all know I can't talk for shit. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing the same thing to the bottoms, and yeah. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other straps off camera. And then we're pretty much going to be, after that, because I'm moving way too fast, I'm going to do the same thing like I did with the swimsuit. I'm going to hem and fold in the sides of each strap, fold in the sides of it, and then sew it. And then we're going to finish this process by connecting the entire swimsuit together. And this video is pretty much coming to an end. So yeah, right now I'm just sewing the straps to the ends of those bottoms, and that's really pretty much it. I'm not sewing the entire like thing. I'm just sewing like the little tips of it, and this is pretty much how it looks. So this really concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then definitely leave a thumbs up for your girl. Let's get this video to 200 likes, because I know y'all can do it. Leave some comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. I am CharniqG. And make sure you guys post notification bell is on, so y'all can be notified every single time I upload a video, because you do not want to miss out. Thank you guys for joining me again, and I will see you lovely doors and gents in the next video.